You guys think he's so funny? He's immature. He's a fucking immature motherfucking fat fucking ugly fucking retard. Asshole. You think this guy's funny? You guys think he's funny? That was so funny. No, it wasn't. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another edition of the Unstoppable Anonymous channel of Wrestling Reactions here on this channel. So let's see what kind of bullshit we get from Grimm, and let's find out what happens here, shall we? Of course he did.
Oh my god! What's up, guys? It's Grimm, and I'm in Jungle Jim's lake house. If you guys didn't see my vlog yesterday on Grimm Experience, definitely go check it out. This is what happened. Those are cat treats! Oh, my god, isn't it?
Are you shitting me? He was eating cat treats and he didn't even know about it? You are... Wow, he is 100% a dumb idiot. Now you guys understand how stupid this fucking retard is? Oh, he's cool, he's funny, blah, blah, blah. Dude, he's not even fucking funny one bit. He thinks everything's fucking funny. Even when he does something that he talks, says, when nobody else is laughing, or when he laughs and somebody else is laughing, they're just laughing because they think it's really funny. Or trying to pretend it's funny. He ain't no funny guy.
I didn't know this was gonna be fast! Whoa! Ah, there he goes! What's up, everybody? It's Grimm. It's the morning, and Flash Carter is still asleep on the couch. I'm gonna go fart on him.
You're dumb.
No, you're not. Oh my god. It was somebody's pee that they made me drink.
Good. You deserve it, you dumb fat fuck.
Who's out there? Oh, they're all awake already. What?
You guys think he's so funny? He's immature. He's a fucking immature motherfucking fat fucking ugly fucking retard. Asshole. You think this guy's funny? You guys think he's funny? That was so funny. No, it wasn't. You guys are fucking dumb. For liking this fucking fat retard.
Oh, God. Sorry. You got kind of cropped.
I think his face is covered anyway. He wouldn't even smell anyway. You're ugly, you fucking ugly ogre.
You're usually already up.
She's already fucking ugly.
You don't usually smell the morning fart.
I don't even know who wants to hit her. Like, bang her. I'll expose them. I'll expose these guys. I will literally expose. Hit that notification bell and give this a big thumbs up if you guys want me to expose Grimm and his girlfriend.
Sorry.
Because I will.
I think I'm gonna throw up. I didn't even eat anything yet. I'm gonna throw up.
This was supposed to be a Flash Carter.
No one wants to bang that ugly
You
ogre.
let it sit there for a
I
second.
don't even know why.
Oh.
Ugh.
Oh, where's my inhaler?
Alright, well, that play backfired. I just feel like I've been fucking everything up lately.
And if I do expose them, the video won't be up until 4:00 p.m. Not today, but another day. This video needs at least 20 likes to expose their ass.
the fuck is going on? Motherfuckers, I still have that taste of whatever in my mouth.
I'm seriously gonna have an asthma attack. Can't even hold it.
Poor thing.
Where is Jungle Jim?
There's no Jungle Jim, there's no Flash Carter. We just went down there to see, have a bagel, have some breakfast, and still no Flash.
They ran away from your fucking ugly ass. Both of your ugly asses.
Still no Jungle Jim.
They haven't been out for like hours. Like, we've been up for what?
Flash, yeah, Flash, no cells might fart. He's still fast asleep. And we know it was a powerful one because Tina nearly died.
Yeah, that was disgusting. Oh my god. I still taste it.
Oh, great, he's moving.
He's still asleep out.
Oh, shit, he's moving. Pillow tickle. Alright.
Oh, he tried. He didn't try Jungle Jim yet.
This is how it's gonna go down. So. Alright, I'm gonna pull out my bare ass.
Oh, come on! Seriously, you guys think this guy is one fucking funny, entertaining, retarded, fucking fat, fucking funny guy? He's immature! You like immature people? Unstoppable. If you don't like Grimm, stop watching Grimm! Guys, I like his wrestlers. I will stop watching if it was just Grimm. I don't even watch his fucking vlogging channel. Do you see me reacting to his vlogging channel? No! I react to his wrestling show, you retards.
Here we go.
You do not have been invited back here.
It's not Flash's house. Yeah. I wanted to see if he heard me. It was like, no, don't pull on me. It's breakfast, brother.
Yeah, we ate all the food.
He's like, okay.
We still didn't find Jungle Jim yet.
He sent his attack cat after me.
What? Hey, kitty.
Attack!
That's the one that you stole snacks from. Look at him, he still remembers.
Dude, he's scaring me.
Attack him!
You touched his snacks.
Cat, attack!
He is not happy.
This is a real match.
He's like, don't you dare touch my snacks. That's just a joke. He's just pretending. He's just pretending. He's like, on the way down, and when you walk up, I'm gonna get you balls. It's gonna turn you into a scratching post.
Somebody's in the
Good.
There he is.
Attack!
I came to eliminate you from the Royal Rumble. How'd you guys sleep? What do you mean? Get out of here, my cat's right here. Yeah, he said I'm gonna kill her, I'm throwing you over the top. He's been protecting you. Yeah. That's what I was gonna do to you, throw you over the top. Yeah, so did you come up here to get me? I stayed up until like 3 or 4 in the morning. You know, we giving everybody a hand job. We were down there having breakfast at a normal human hour. Yeah, I don't really have breakfast. I like to. I don't break my fast. Oh, I see.
Yeah, nobody likes to eat breakfast. Either do I. I don't even eat breakfast. Importantly, breakfast is the most important thing of the day. I'm sorry, but when you work third shift, you don't eat breakfast. I'm sorry.
He just doesn't eat all day. Anorexia is a problem. You can't get help. Yeah, I'm anorexic. Have you ever seen 14 Kids? I broke his arm, remember? Yeah, you did.
Yes, food disorders are not.
No. Let's go fart on Flash. He's still down there? Yeah. All right, let's go.
You tried, but he woke up.
Yeah, so I tried to fart on Flash and then ran, but the fart just went in Tina's mouth.
And it went in your mouth too.
Shit on the second time.
You fucking amateurs.
And he woke up. Oh, wait. No, you can't waste a perfectly good ball of polish.
Some retards. Leave them alone. Let them sleep.
I gave him breakfast, okay? I fed him.
Yeah, we had to feed the child. He's our wrestling son.
He's our wrestling jockey.
It's time, hold it. Look at me. I'm the captain now.
You wish.
Jesus Christ.
Sweetie,
She didn't go very far.
you don't know what you're doing.
You went to the bathroom when we were out of here. Where were you taking us? New Orleans? Tokyo? New Orleans. Vail, Colorado feels like a tough one to get to here. I tried. It was an attempt. It was an attempt.
You didn't even know where to start.
What? Listen, I can start it up. And if I start it up, I'll never stop. We crashed into the side.
Alright, so that one's called The Rob Father. The best one I've ever seen. Hunani Tsunami.
I love it. I'm gonna name, baby, remember what we're naming our boat? Sexual innuendo. Robinson Crusoe.
I love it.
What's up, everybody? It's Grim, and we are here on Lake Ho-Pat-Con. Ho being the key word. Ho! And we got, it's an off-the-boat elimination.
And I hope you
Regal
get
Rumble.
eliminated.
The Regal River Rumble.
Flash says he's too comfy. Maybe we should uncomfort him.
Yes,
He
we're
can rep
gonna-
it. He can rep it.
Referee.
Wait, so is
Tortina.
this all of a sudden a tag team match?
It's a tag team match. These two guys
Versus us two?
Sure.
Step that.
Really? You're not going to be in it?
Dude, I'm so comfy.
Really?
Like, no sleep last night.
I think we should put him over first.
Yeah, we
So
just
I
I
slide him
farted in his face this morning. But you know what happened? I farted on you and then ran, but then it went in Tina's mouth and she was filming.
Don't remind me.
There's some sportsmanship here, right?
Yeah.
We're all here on vacation.
I didn't even think we announced who you guys are in this match, so tell everybody your names. It doesn't matter what your name is!
Nobody. It doesn't matter what your name is either, friend.
First one's gone!
Oh.
Second one's gone! Did we win? Or am I gonna scare him in the water?
Of course he is.
You win in the 3-2!
No, you hit the water first.
No, he hit the water first!
It was you, Justin.
No!
I'm sorry. It happened.
So it happened. Oh, how refreshing. I won. I was the last one in.
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
Okay.
because you always
This
fucking
time,
win.
Flash Carter is entering the match, and we're having a rematch. A rematch? The rematch clause. Okay. Are we ready? We're ready. Flash the referee. All right, so, wait, let's, this time, no, he's in. She's the ref. He's in. He's
What are you doing sitting down?
not like a Flash. Okay, all right, so let me introduce them first. So you are
Wade Kruger from the Stepdads.
Bradley Belmont, also from the Stepdads. They are the Stepdads.
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell! Ding, ding, ding! The bell. Wait, hold on. Is that a shark?
What do you mean, a shark?
A shark in there? A shark?
Of course.
You stupid! He fell for the oldest trick in the book! And then his stupid tag partner over here. Oh, no! Oh, heck yeah! Oh, no! Whoa! You're going down! Oh! Yeet! Take that! You dumb son of a bitch! Sharky Jared! Oh, no!
I think there's a shark.
Oh!
Oh, God.
He's gonna hit it! He's gonna hit it! No! Yes! Yes! Are you ready for this? Yes! That's it! Oh no!
Of course, Grim always puts himself over. Even in the pool. Or in the boat.
I'm coming to rescue you.
Rock the boat, sweetie. Yes, I got over there.
Did you see that big splash? Jesus. A big fat fucking whale. Splashed a whole fucking wave of a fucking river, lake, whatever it is. Probably making that other boat. Whoa.
Yes.
These guys on the boat next to us are literally.
Yeah.
You okay?
Baby. Don't die.
Please don't die.
Yeah.
But did you
Oh,
die?
Grimm's
Keep going
big
like this right
splash.
here.
Oh no! On what?
Grimm's big splash made him choke on the water.
What is your head?
You good though?
Is your head?
Is it broken? I don't think so. Are you like hurt? Or are you like ow at home? Like ow. Yeah.
Oh.
Well, you get the ladder.
Oh man. Oh no! Oh
Is he
god.
scraped?
Oh, he's bad. He got hit real hard.
Is it really bad?
It's really red. It's really red.
Yeah, that's bad. After you hit that water so bad, ugh.
Very red. It's gonna be bruised.
Let me see. Stand up.
I'll show you.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Flash.
Flash.
Good job, Grimm.
Sweet.
Meanwhile, on Twitter, idiot James Gray can't get the stupid briefcase open, and therefore he should just bring it back to GTS. Because I have the key, too stupid. Just bring it. I'll open it. I'll take out what's inside. You can still be Mr. Food in the Fridge. Nobody's trying to take away your fucking win or your briefcase.
Yeah, you are taking the briefcase and win. Because it was supposed to be yours, Grimm. Dumb. You're just gonna use Fat Fiend as your return, aren't ya? To beat Vince Series, aren't ya? If you win, I'm gonna expose your ass. I might do that fucking video during my vacation to expose his fucking dirty fucking ass. Him and his fiance, girlfriend.
Just let me get what's inside. The general manager said what's inside that briefcase belongs to me, and it's not supposed to fall in anybody else's hands. So James
Yeah, it's the Fat Fiend.
Gray, bring me back my briefcase. Next time on GTS, I challenge you. As a matter of fact, we want the tag team championships. Body Club should put those titles on the line against DF. We're the #1 contenders. We earned the match. And
You guys are gonna fucking lose. If you guys win, I'm gonna fucking scream.
take you on for the tag team titles next time, right here on GTS Wrestling. And if you're not down with that, we got 3 words for you.
Kiss my ass. Fuck you, Graham. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you guys do not miss an upload here on this channel. If you guys want me to expose Graham, give this a big thumbs up, please. And subscribe to watch me expose Grimm for everything. Him and his girlfriend. And everything that he said about himself. Please subscribe. Make sure you hit those notification bells. Because I will expose his ass at 4 o'clock when I make the video and upload it. If he beats Vince Series. I'm unstoppable. And I'm out.
Hey everybody, it's your boy Skiz here. And if you don't subscribe to Blonde and the Unstoppable Denominator, then you are a toothy bumfuck, pussy ass bitch motherfucker.